Hey, yo. I'm just looking and seeing. Oh, shit. I'm just looking to see if I should sell something in crypto. Who's out here? Anybody? Is there anybody out here? K. Soliman. Real NV. What up? Lee Watt. Michael Gianos. K9. DCA Gang. Tell Trevor. Selling. I'm selling them. You got to get on a. You got to fly to a special island to hang out with Trevor. Master Joel. What up? Andrew. What's good? What's XRP at? XRP is in a. I might have to get rid of it there. Not all of it, just some new stuff I have. I need to move money from one account to another, basically to pay myself. And I grabbed XRP because the fees are low at $1.84, and now it's at 240. Well, it was. It's at like 238 now. Pretty nice fucking pop. I just got to log into one of my accounts. I wanted to get on earlier, but I got fucking dragged to fucking Target. I wanted to work out, come back home, eat real quick, and then hop on and trade not crypto, just trade prop firm stuff like a degenerate. Working on my funded accounts. And then my daughter's like, "Can you take us to Target?" Mommy said the only way she'll go is if you drive us. I'm like, ugh. They just wanted snacks, but somehow we walked through the whole fucking store. All right, let me log into these accounts. You know what I'm saying? Just want to make sure. That was over an hour ago. I got home from the gym at like 6:45 my time. Chat. You see, guys? But I did get some trades in. I actually did a Discord members only giveaway right as the market was reopening. I had a couple of Lucid accounts to give away. They gave me a couple of accounts to give away. They gave me some special one-time use codes, and they gave me 4. I gave away 2 on Friday, and I gave away the other 2 today. And yeah, when I was waiting on everybody to put their numbers in and whatnot, I noticed some things were happening with gold as the market reopened. So I took a trade as I was doing the giveaway. And I'll show you how that one played out. I'll show you. Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. I'm just logging into everything right now, so bear with me. Hope you guys are having a good day or night so far. Who else is out here? Carlos, Jack Boom, Carbonite. What up? What up? What up? So, what? Oh, I got caps lock. Fuck. There we go. Yeah. Boom. That should work. Ha! Ha! And I'm not even joking. I brought the laptop down with me so I could eat and just watch the chart. And right before we were gonna leave, I saw an opportunity to fucking short gold in my funded Bullinox account, but I had to fucking leave. And guess what? I would have gotten something. I would have gotten something. Shit drives me fucking crazy. Anyway, it was right. Yeah, it was right here. All right, let's turn this shit on. Yo, Ash. Oh, you're gonna take me in the shower with you? You're gonna lather yourself up while watching the stream, Carlos? Huh? All right, let me turn my screen on. All right, chat. Thanks, chat. You're not the first person, the first the first male to take me in the shower with them. That didn't sound right. Saying while on the phone or some shit. Screen, entire, boom. That didn't come out right. That's what she said. I did not go to Penn State with Jerry Sandusky. Anybody know who that is? Another sick fuck. Nao, what's up? Diamond Murphy. Pause. Oh shit, you guys are funny. Yo, did you guys see Prop Shop? Hey, Prop Shop is pretty much done at this point. They went from begging people for money. They were looking for highly capitalized, accredited investors. They were emailing their whole entire database of customers looking for that. They needed money for their next phase. And then today they fucking tell people that they're no longer doing SIM funded payouts because it's not allowed with the CME. Oh, really? So how come every other prop firm's still doing it? The Apex Killer. Remember when all the affiliates were fucking slinging their code for that brand new prop firm and they were Apex Killers? They were going to put Apex out of business, right? That aged well. Oh, man. People just never fucking learn. They never fucking learn. The only thing I would say about new prop firms is, aside from me ever fucking recommending them, is if you're going to fuck with them, get in, get your money, and get the fuck out. And get back to, reinvesting in the solid, established prop firms. What up, Singh? Slap chop, prop shop, rug shop, whatever they fucking call it. Pine Tree, what up? Mr. Singh, Rank Gap. Oh, fuck, man. Rick. I miss out on a lot of money by passing on all these new prop firms. I could have promoted fucking Funding X. I could have promoted Funded Next. I think they're fucking around now too. I saw something about them earlier today in the Discord. I forgot what it was. I just got water all over myself. I could have fucked with Thrive. I could have fucked with Fast Track. I could have fucked with Profit Raid. I could have fucked with fucking Slap Chop. Prop Shop is fucking dog shit. Save your fucking money. TJP, what up? Exactly. You never heard of any of them because they're all gone. Prop Shop's not completely gone yet, but they will be soon. Omen, what up? I remember all the shit. Yeah, Fast Track. Oh my God, the worst fucking rug pull. Was what Apex? I don't know. You got to ask her, not me. She likes to jump on all the new shit, but that's her preference. Vasa, you got to ask her. She's not the only one. I thought, hopefully she learns by now. Hopefully she'll, you know what I mean? She has taken a step back from promoting every fucking prop firm that comes out. But I mean, that's a personal preference. That's how she wants to run her business. That's fine. MB, what are you asking about? What about Apex? Oh, God. Carbonite. Yeah, I've heard that one before. No, how about they just do their... Well, all these new firms need affiliates, just like all the existing firms do. How about they fucking learn how to do their own fucking marketing? Which prop firm is the problem? Prop Shop. Caleb Woodson, what up? I posted about it on Twitter. This is what they... No more sim payouts. What else is a prop firm good for? SEC does not allow sim payouts. Bullshit. That's a fucking lie. Instead of sim payouts, we get a live signing bonus. Bullshit. They want to push you to live, or they give you a signing bonus and you'll go live. No more getting called to live early. 8 benchmarks accumulated. Yeah, okay. Sounds like dog shit to me. Buyer beware. So many other firms you could fucking trade with than this piece of shit. Buyer beware. They were the apex killer. When they first came out, yeah, exactly. It's bullshit. When they first came out, they were allowing 20 funded accounts at the same time. And all the people who were promoting it were saying they are the apex killer. Yeah, okay. I said it wasn't never going to happen then, and here we are. Rick, dude, they're pathetic. Diamond, yep. Total garbage, bro. Total garbage. So here are my Apex accounts. I haven't traded them yet. I'll show you. Here are my Take Profit Trader accounts. My 50Ks are no longer in the account because they're passed. So in a little while, I should be able to activate my 50Ks. I passed 3, but I can only activate 2 because I have these 3 fucking 150Ks. These pros. So I'm going to have 3 pro 150Ks and 2 pro 50Ks in Take Profit Trader. Let's see if I can get them all to the point where they push me to Pro Plus. Alfred, yeah. Here's your signing bonus, sir. Oh, that's Amon. What up, Amon? Yeah, don't violate their rules. Other prop firms have rules too. Go ahead. I dare you to hedge with 2 funded Take Profit Trader accounts. I dare you to take 1 Take Profit Trader account and go long and go short in the other. Or, God forbid, I dare you to forget to close out a trade or orders on a funded Take Profit Trader account and the market closes on you. We'll see how fucking strict Apex is. They're all strict in their own way. There are people, you'd be surprised. Willie C, what up? Yeah, instant liquidation. Talk about harsh. Talk about strict. So yeah, well, this is where I wanted to go short. Right here. Right at this 707. I wanted to go short right fucking here. And then I had to leave. And I would have, let's see, 680. It went down 60 ticks. I would have probably locked in gains around 30-ish. Yeah. I got approved. On December 31st, I got approved within an hour. Less than an hour, I got approved on 6 requests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 requests. And I know once I get approved, I'm going to get my money. There's no question. I never wonder about that. And like this payout I requested today, I requested a payout right before right after the market closed. I was still streaming. I did it for the stream. I don't know if it gets, whenever they make a decision, it'll probably be maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. I'm fine with that. I don't care. Whenever they get around to it. That's what you have Take Profit Trader and Trade Day for. While you're waiting on your Apex payout to be approved, you go get daily payouts with Take Profit Trader and Trade Day. Speaking of Trade Day, I did this. I'm going to request down to the buffer this time. I haven't really been doing that, but I am at the point where I got over $5,000 in profit now with this account, and they're going to evaluate me to go live. So I'm going to request down to the buffer. I might even request into the buffer. I don't know yet, though. So I got 659 that I can request. 659 times 0.8. I'll end up with $527.20. I'll take it. I might even request into the buffer, but then I only have one account, so I won't be able to combine my available drawdown. So I might just request down to the buffer and go into my live account with 2,000. If they don't, unless they tell me to keep trading. But I've already had a live account with them once, so I have a feeling they're going to make me go live right away, as soon as they can make me. So that's that. And while I was giving away some Lucid accounts, literally right as I was giving them away to the best community on these Profit Streets, it was a Discord members only giveaway. Got to be in there to be a part of it, to get access to it, to be able to have a chance of winning. But we'll do more. While that was happening, literally right in the middle of that giveaway, watch this. Watch this. I got day 5 locked on these 2 funded flex accounts, baby. Let me show you. Let me show you something. So here they are. Here are my funded accounts. Both at 3,082, both 5 days in. I just have to wait. I have to wait until the end of the day. And then I'll be able to request, and I'm going to request 3,082 total, because I got 2 accounts, but that's what I'm going to end up with, because you can request with Flex, you request 50% of your profit. 50% is half of 3,082. I have 2 accounts, so I'm going to request 3,082, and I'm going to end up with, because they have a 90-10 profit split now, I'm going to end up with $2,773.80. $2,773. I'm also getting $527 from Trade Day. I just requested $18.61 from Apex. I got $16.68 already from Take Profit Trader this month. I got $1,500 from Trade Day already. I'll be at, is that the right? Yeah, I'll be at $8,329 in payouts, as long as Apex approves my payout request. That's the only one that will be, is up in the air still, because they have to review it. But I don't see why I wouldn't get approved. You see, guys? You see? Mikey, so much guessing. So much profitable guessing. Last month, I did $34,405 worth of lucky guesses in terms of payouts. Lucky fuck I am. So much guessing. Oh, Pine Tree. Yeah, bro. The only issue about... What up, Crank? The only thing about Trade Day is, they will push you to live a lot quicker than a lot of other firms. Is that the worst thing in the world? And if I want to keep trading with them, I'm going to have to do it. That's all. Only YouTubers get approved. That's right. From every firm I get paid on. Only YouTubers. So, anyway. Let's this is that time of day where when I used to do the whip streams, I'd be sitting on the whip stream and waiting, just literally waiting and waiting and waiting for something to happen. And nothing would happen until I started driving back home. My son would be finished with practice. It'd be right about now, because he would go till 9 o'clock, 9:30. My son would get in the car, and then I'd be like, all right, guys, I got to bounce. Peace. I start fucking driving, and I would get home a half hour later, and in that half hour, the fucking crazy move I was waiting on, or just anything to happen, happens when I was driving. And someone would always post it in the Discord, look, Jay, as soon as you got off. I'm like, yeah. So I don't know. That's just that time. But if we want to look at the larger time frames, let me go to the 4-hour. Just based on where I have the high set, I have this as the last high, but I think I should just go to the all-time high. This is the last high right here, just before the all-time high, whatever this is right here. Right there. So we crossed the 618. We're approaching the 707. We could fucking go up. How many more ticks is it? 796. Another 170 ticks. Yeah, Alfred, that too. Exactly, bro. But listen, the other thing about trade day is like you get the daily payouts until you go live. You won't be getting daily payouts when you're live. It's not the same. You got to wait. You got to send an email and wait for them to fucking get around to it. It's a little annoying. It's not as streamlined as like on the Sim Funded. I could just go in the back. I could go in and request, and then like literally tomorrow after the market closes, whenever they update, I'm gonna request my payout, and then at like 3:00 in the morning my time, it will get approved and paid through Rise, and I'll wake up and be like, "Fuck yeah, I got paid again." It's not like that when you go live. When you're Sim Funded, it works like that. With Take Profit Trader, when you're Pro Plus, you're live. It's still within. You still request from whatever dashboard you're trading on. Christian, what up? 0 Day J here. Trade day sucks? Really? Why? Why do they suck? Compared to who? What up, Cap? Crank almost went live with Funding Ticks. That might be the only time it's good to trade with them, with all their bullshit, retroactive bullshit rules. Punch, yeah, Take Profit Traders, my number one for me. I mean, Apex is right behind them because if you fucking follow the rules, you're gonna get paid. DM, why do you think trade day sucks? I want to know. I want to know why you think that. I think they're great. I don't see that many. You could get 40% off with no activation fee, day one payouts, daily payouts. They give you the option of having intraday, end of day, or static on your funded accounts. What's so bad about that? They pay. When you request, there's no fucking denial. Take Profit Trader takes an extra day as well. Gotcha, Alfred. I'm looking forward to fucking experiencing that. I got a ways to go though. I definitely have a ways to go. Damn, we're literally going fucking sideways. What's Silver doing? Damn, look at fucking Silver. Silver was back at $79. Look at that fucking flag. Oh my God. Silver's about to go up to fucking. Silver's going to go over 80. Silver's going to go over 80 for sure. This is the spot price of silver, by the way. If you were to go into a coin shop and say, "Hey, hello, sir, I want to buy some silver." That's how much it would cost you per ounce. Actually, it would cost you more. It would cost you $5 to $10 more than spot per ounce because of premiums. There's no ceiling on the live account. Yo, DM, bro. I'm still waiting for you to tell me why trade day sucks. Silver only hit $82 on futures. Really? That's the all-time high? Spot, it was 84. Mikey. What, on trade day? Or what prop firm, Mikey? Any firm? Silver, like government issued silver, yes. Absolutely. Like right now, American Silver Eagles, watch this. That are minted by the government. Watch this. Monster Box. And this is for 500. You would think you would get a better deal. You would think you would get a better deal if you're buying this many. Oh, out of stock. Shocker. $2010. 2010. Monster box of Silver Eagles, 500 ounces would cost you if you paid with a debit card, like a credit card or a debit card or PayPal, it would cost you $47,608. Watch this, divided by 500. Silver's $78 an ounce right now. It would cost you $95. That's a $17 an ounce premium. Even at 45 grand, 45,704. If you got the best deal, which is paying by wire or check, divided by 500, it would still cost you $91.58 per ounce. And that's when you're buying 500. Isn't that fucking crazy? Oh, DM. Have you ever had a live account with any firms though? Why not just get paid until they push you live? It's not the end of the world. I don't see that as a valid reason to say a firm sucks. You know what makes a firm suck? Retroactive rule changes. Getting away from saying that the fucking SEC doesn't allow sim-funded payouts. Making some bullshit excuse up like that. David Schneider, what up? Andy, what's good? I use Plaid. They offer, if you're in the US, it's direct deposit via Plaid. If you're not in the US, they use this other thing. I forgot what it was called. I think it's like a I don't even remember what company. ADP's company or something. Either way, it hooks up to your bank account. Papples, what up? What up, Pawn? I can't wait for it to go over 100. Yeah, Prop Shop. Yeah, they fucking blow. They basically said no more sim-funded payouts. Now you gotta get signing bonuses now. What the fuck is that? David Schneider, thank you for smashing the like button for Trevor Laconte. Listen, someone's using my fucking code at Alpha Future, so I'm going to hit them up about that. So I might have to get an account. I might have to get an account with them just for that reason. But I wasn't crazy about their plans. I wasn't crazy about how much their plans cost. I don't know. I heard they're a good firm, though. Crank. She wasn't the only one. That was like the motto. That was the battle cry. This is going to be an apex killer. Or they are an apex killer. That was funny. What up, Jordan? The signing bonus, yeah. It's like I'm getting drafted for the NFL. Let's see. 2000 let's look at monster boxes for 2026. If you're gonna buy 1 to 2 monster boxes by check or wire, it would be $44,841. It would cost you just under $90 an ounce. It's fucking crazy. If you want to buy a gold eagle, that's American Silver Eagles. Let's see, gold eagle. This is America. This is the U.S. Mint. 2005 1 ounce gold eagle. It's $200 over spot. No, that's not even the price. As low as, oh yeah, 1. If you pay with check or wire, $200 under spot. If you pay with fucking a card, it's $400 over spot. It's fucking crazy. For 1 ounce of U.S. gold. And that's the Liberties. The Buffaloes are even more. The Buffaloes are sick. Look. Fucking crazy. The Buffaloes are dope. A perfectly graded Buffalo, gold Buffalo, any year is $4,876 if you pay by wire. All right. Anyway, yeah, it's rolling over. Let's see what we could get here. Should I treat that as the low? I don't know. This might be the better spot. Crank. Yeah, you could pay with a check. I've done it. I mean, I haven't bought from a site like that in a long time. I just buy from dudes I've established relationships with, like on the internet, like on in Facebook groups and Instagram dudes. There's some really quality people that you can buy from. What is my mentality when trading a Lucid Flex account? Treat it like a fucking XFA. If you've ever traded a Top Step XFA, because there's no consistency, which can get you into trouble. My mentality is taking bigger shots with that because there's no consistency rule, and it's still end of day trailing. I don't know. Here, I'll show you the days I've had. These are the days I've had. This was the third day. So like the first, like this, here's the first 2 days, 521, 675, 1185. I was trying to have days like this every day because the max payout, you have to get to 4,000 to be able to request the max payout of 2,000. And then I did 404 on day 4 because I was fine. I just wanted to get my $150 days, and I did 404 and 295. Savvy, what's up? Yeah, Lucid's great. Talk about ascension. They're a great firm. I had the list. Like, I was thinking about, it was either going to be Lucid, Funding X, Funded Next, or Trade Iffy. I already knew I wasn't fucking with Funding Ticks or fucking Funded Next. I don't want to fuck with Forex firms because look what's happening. Every Forex firm that came over to futures, they all did the same shit. Started off real friendly, and then they started fucking around and fucking everybody. Funded Next is going to do it next. I feel like they already started to, but not nearly as bad as Funding X. And I just didn't want to fuck with Trade Iffy because I know Brett rug pulled a bunch of motherfuckers with NFTs. Even though he runs the prop firm good. I just have that always have that in the back of my mind. Always. But and then Lucid all I heard about Lucid was how great they were from people that I trusted in my Discord, in the best community. People were getting paid within a minute. Their money was hitting their bank account. Then they added Trade Evade. Once they added Trade Evade, I was like, all right, these guys are serious. Remember when Fast Track tried to add Trade Evade and Trade Evade said, fuck you? What did they do? Carlos, what did they do? They got rid of it? They got rid of daily payouts? Who? Funded Next? CyberPie. Yeah, Lucid's great. Devin, what up? Team Massive. So these are both of my funded accounts. They're both like this. This one is 04, and then we got 03. They're identical. No need for me to try to push it any further. I will end up with $2,773 and change after requesting from both accounts. Sign me up. And then I could do it again. Then I could just grow the account again. I'm already halfway there. Just got to get, really, all I need to do is get 5 days of $150 or more. Yeah, no rebill, end of day trailing. I'm okay with the rebill. I wouldn't mind getting rebilled at their better discount, but it's okay. Yeah, Caleb, that's the other thing. There is a consistency rule on evals. They're literally just like XFAs. Oh, if you pay for their add-ons. I feel like there was something else going on with them. There was some fine print that people were saying some shit about. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, chat. Oh, whoops. Let's see. Funded next. Here we go. I'm trying to figure out where they said it. They were talking about it this morning. Yeah, I don't know. It seemed like people weren't thrilled about it. Yeah, so silver micros with Lucid. God bless anybody who trades silver. Isaac, what up? Damn, this shit fucking bounced. Are we really going to cuck around in this range? That fucking sucks. I want to trade. But I'm not just going to get into anything, and I'm not going to trade the NQ. Well, damn, the NQ's popping. Here's the NQ. It's up since we hit that low. 551. It's up almost 100 points. But look at this. Hey, chat. Watch this, chat. So here's the last high on the NQ. Here's the last low. We're basically at the 618 right now. I would look around here for a potential rejection, but I'm not trading that shit. Yeah, Alfred. Silver's wild like Mr. Rogers. Oh, it just kills the account. Do you get, Carlos, you just lose the account? Do you get a live account? Or that's it, you're just done with that account? That's some fucking dumb shit if they just say, fuck, the account's done. Yeah, is it? That's stupid. I mean, if you know that going into it, I guess it's not terrible. Like, you already know that. Let's be real, though. How many people are going to be able to take it to a fourth payout? How much is it? How much is the account? Like a 50K. And Mikey, to answer your question from before, I just kind of ended up with these take profit trade on 150Ks. But 50Ks are my bread and butter. I have the most success with 50Ks. I'm not going to deviate. $150 for that? $150 for a 50K and the most you can make is $6,000? Get the fuck out of here. That's so fucking... Oh, they make you pay for the add-ons. Oh, my God. What up, Nico? Yeah. That like they're doing you a favor. Oh, thank you. I appreciate the support. Not bad. 4 for 10 so far. That's pretty good. You posted it in the Discord? I saw that before. I think I found it. Tick Daddy needs to go poop. Now everybody knows. Everybody on the stream. Hold on. I got to have some fun with this. I'm telling you, we got the best fucking community. This the trader receives 80% of the displayed withdrawal amount. The account is closed after the final settlement. No further trading or withdrawals are available on this account. And you got to pay 150 for that shit? 159? What up, Freddie? That's some bullshit. Yeah, Jordan, it kind of just said fuck you to your order, right? I've had that happen plenty of times. Yeah, bro. You better off. Oh my God. We're doing it for the stream. Yeah, Jordan, we're in this cuck zone. This is a big area of cuck. I don't know. I would wait for it to break out of this cuck zone. It looked like it did here. Would you chase it down here? I don't know. I don't even know where you got in. $788. It's only six, like this high and this low is 60 ticks. Yeah, I would just wait, bro. I would just wait. We might go higher. I mean, we're flagging right now. I wouldn't short gold. I don't know. I would wait for it to come up around here. 44.96, 44.97. This pivot point, well, that's from yesterday's session. And I wouldn't. I don't know if I would go long either. I'm not going near this shit. The only way I go long is if it pulls back to this around here. That's the only way I'm going long. But that's me. I don't fucking chase. I wait. Some people like to play the breakout. But anyone who just played this breakout to the downside out of the cuck zone just got fucked. Unless they got in the middle somewhere and locked in gains. But look what just happened. It went right back to the top of the zone. So it's tricky. 772 to 707. That's a nice fucking little pop, bro. Unless I'm reading that wrong. Oh, the 7-0. Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's gonna hover around this until it figures out what it wants to do. We got a new hour right now, too. New hour fuckery. It's midnight on the East Coast. And nothing's happening. Wow, that's crazy. Something's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen. But I'm just gonna sit and wait. I mean, we've been doing this for what? Almost 2 hours. Just cucking around. Oh, by the way, if you're not on Twitter, or if you are on Twitter and you're not following me on Twitter, you should. You know why? Because that's what all the cool people do. Here's my Twitter. I'll follow you back. Or my X. Sorry, chat. X. Remember the 5th of November. I'm just sitting here waiting. This is what? This is like pulling teeth. What's the NQ doing? I'm gonna put the NQ up here. It's not. I mean, it's kind of just grinding up. The NQ is like grinding right now, slowly. We need some more Venezuela news. We need some more Venezuela propaganda. I mean, it's up. The lower day is almost 100 points away. The range on NQ right now is 97 points. The range on gold right now is only 415 ticks, which means gold's either going to go up more to expand the range or it's going to dump and go lower, because this isn't going to be the final range of the day. And I'm leaning towards it going up more to expand the range. That's my guesstimation. Ramen, what's up, man? And this shit is barely fucking moving. Jeez. I'm going to fall asleep waiting for something to happen. Interesting here. We got a lower high. Doesn't necessarily mean anything, but we could go lower. I just don't know how lower. How much lower. Oh, and by the way, if you guys want to hang out, I had mentioned the best community on these platform streets. The DGen fam Discord, the DCA gang Discord, the DGen Treehouse. Here's the link. It's free for now. You're more than welcome to come and hang out in there. Ian, what up? Or is it Ion? Fuck. Someone threw me off on how to say your name. I think it's Eon. It's Eon or Ion. Fuck. Look at that. That's why I didn't want to go short with gold. I also didn't want to chase long. There it is. We got so much longer to go, though. This is not a bad spot here, because this is a high. This could be perceived as one of the previous highs. But even with that said, it's like in between here. Ion. That's what I've always been saying. Fuck. ERB, what up? Oh, Robbie Baldwin, what's good, man? I really wish YouTube would go back to showing everybody's display name. It was so much better when YouTube showed everybody's display name instead of their usernames. You don't even know. I fucking literally will click on somebody's name just to see what their display name is and be like, oh, that's who that is. Because I won't recognize your user ID. But then I'll click on your chat, like on your channel, and be like, oh, that's who it is. It's Robbie Baldwin. You know, that shit happens all the time. It's fucking annoying. What are we doing here? Anything? That was 26 ticks. This one candle was 26 ticks out of nowhere. Oh, coming back. This shit is gross. I don't like the way it's moving. We got any news this week? Let me see. Let me go to the Forex Factory calendar. Forex Factory calendar. J6. It's Insurrection Day tomorrow, chat. Nothing. Nothing. This isn't going to move the needle at all. Preliminary German CPI. Whatever. ISM PMI on Wednesday. You got CPI for Europe. Joel's job openings. So maybe Wednesday at 10 o'clock Eastern. Something to look forward to. Thursday. CPI. What the fuck is this? China? What is that? That's not China. Who is that? Oh, Swiss franc. Switzerland CPI. And then you got unemployment claims on the 8th. What's on Friday? Non-farm payroll. Oh, Friday is going to be nuts. Just be careful. Between 8:30 a.m. Eastern and 10 a.m. Eastern. You got non-farm payroll. You got unemployment. You got average hourly earnings or whatever. All this shit. And then you got University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. This fucking moves the market a lot, believe it or not. So it's going to, Friday will be a good day of trading. Yeah, you caught silver? Yeah, I don't fuck with silver. I can't. I'll just look at my silver. I traded silver once. I'm like, holy fuck. Never again. Crazy. Whopping 20 ticks right there. Man, I was hoping for more action. You know when there was more action? Before I had to leave for fucking Target. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, do I see a head and shoulders for me here? Here's a shoulder. Here's the head. So we're going to cuck around here and either drop. No, maybe not. I don't know. I'm just drawing at straws here. Obviously, you know what I'm waiting for. I'm not waiting for any of this shit. I'm waiting for one of my fib levels to fucking get hit. Oh, gold is the shit. Great job. It will give you, man, it will give you opportunities all day and night, except for right now. Right now, it's just fucking dicking around. Yeah, Freddie. Silver's crazy. Silver is absolutely bananas. Yeah, right now it's kind of horrible. At some point, it's going to open back up. Probably going to get some sort of parabolic move. Coach Singh, what up? Yeah, Jordan. I mean, I just feel like I've done it too plenty of times. I just seem like it feels like you're just forcing trades because you need to do something, or you're feeling a pressure like I got to trade these accounts before I go to bed or whatever or work. I don't know what time zone you're in. Yo, chasing money. What up? Welcome. Welcome. Unfortunately, you're popping in, and I trade gold, and gold ain't moving right now. But YM's not moving either, Caleb. I can tell you one thing though about hanging out with us. We are the best community on these prop firm streets. Are you a prop firm trader? Probably. Hands down, the best community. Unfortunately, nothing's happening right now. I haven't traded yet since I hopped on the stream. I've traded today, but I locked in payouts with Lucid on these two, and I locked in another payout with Trade Day, and I'm gonna go. They're probably gonna push me live, but I'm gonna request down to the buffer with this shit. Yeah, we need something to happen. This shit is fucking whatever. Yeah, Jordan, I feel you, man. You're like, but gold was moving like crazy before. I mean, this is gold before this shit. Watch, I'm gonna show you. Gold was fucking moving around a lot. And it just kind of flatlined right now. If I feel like something's gonna happen, it's gonna like it already broke this cuck zone, but now it's back in it. I don't know. I just feel like it did that to the downside too. I feel like I don't know. I think it's gonna go higher, but I don't know. It might drop first before it goes higher. Like who the fuck knows? That's the problem with gold. It don't give a fuck what we think is gonna happen. I know that for a fact. Thumper, what up? NQ's moving. Oh, look at that. It looks like a lot, but it's only 10 points. This massive move right here was 10 points. How much do you need in a buffer for Lucid? On a flex, nothing. You just need to have 5 days of $100, $150 or more. Bearish. I think the least amount you could request. Let me go look. On a pro 50K, your buffer needs to be 2,100 or higher. On a flex, you don't need a buffer. 25 and 50K flex and pro accounts are 35% off right now with the best code 0DayJ. The best fucking code. Flex. Girl flex. Time to have sex. Anyone remember that shit? All right, live flex payout. Here we go. You need a minimum $150 on a 50. I'm only talking about 50Ks because that's all I trade. But this is all the minimums on each size account. 100 to 250 depending on the size you trade. And then minimum payout request is $500, which means you need to have at least $1,000 in your account. So I guess the buffer is $1,000 in any size account. Well, on a 150 you need more because you have to do 5 days of 250 or more. Much different than the buffers required on a pro account. I think the flexes are better for most people. For 95% of the people that would be trading them, flex is better. No consistency on funded accounts. It's Mad Cobra. Gadasa. Hardly. I don't touch my funded accounts with the NQ. My NQs will never see go. My NQs. My funded accounts do not get traded with the NQ. And only evals. I'll play pass and smash with the NQ with evals, but even that, I don't even really do that much. I fucking hate the NQ. I hate it. It's a piece of shit. Oh. At least gold's starting to move around some. Kind of did what the NQ just did. Similar. It pulled back and then it went higher. Gold did the same shit. Look, pulled back, went higher. I got a ways to go before I even think about getting in gold. I need to come around here. Crank, the largest, the biggest. Yeah, Jordan, bro. Hey, bro, listen. If you need to scratch the itch, go grab a fucking cheap. Oh, Apex evals are $19.60, bro. Just grab some cheap evals. If you feel like you need to scratch, you want to see if you could get something with gold. Those accounts are too precious to be fucking with gold right now. It's not really moving. Willie C. Yeah, bro. Fuck the IQ. I mean, it kept going higher because of all this Venezuela shit. War is good for the stock market. Invading motherfuckers, you know, just for shits and giggles. Say they got their it's always about the oil. And now it's about Bitcoin. What a fucking joke. It's the same fucking playbook. It's the same playbook. It doesn't matter who's running the show or who's allegedly running the show. Oh, yeah, XRP, get the fuck up there. Let's go, son. XRP's moving. How much XRP do I have? If I told you, I'd have to kill you. Eddie, what up? You cooking? Yo, Eddie, I posted that shit in the Discord like yesterday. Oil. He fucking knocks over the fucking pitcher and they bounce and they fucking try to run away. Fucking amazing. I'll tell you one thing though, Caleb. I had to move crypto from an account I'm sharing with somebody into my personal account. I was basically taking some money out of it, and I wanted to do it with something that was going to pay little, the least amount of fees. So I grabbed some XRP at $1.84 or $1.85, and I moved it over, and I still have it, and now it's at $2.40. So it was a pretty nice trade. Yo, Eddie, I bought that whole shit. I wasn't in high school. I was in like my mid to late 20s. I was in my late 20s when I bought that shit. The whole DVD set. What pair is my favorite? Gold. GC. All day. All day. Nothing comes close for me. E2. I'm not saying gold is better than any other instrument. I see gold better than I see any other instrument. I've gotten the most payouts trading with gold in terms of consistent payouts. I'm pretty sure at some point in the very near future, my total amount of payouts I got just from trading gold will surpass the NQ, and it's not even going to take that long. Yo, the third season, the Lost episodes was fucking good too. I wrote the song a long time ago, a real long time ago. Feel me? It was the dopest song I ever wrote in '94. Oh yeah. I flirted with gold on and off for a while, for months, before I finally said, oh my God, look at this. The fibs on gold play out all fucking day. That was what the game changer was for me. I just got tired of getting fucked around with by the NQ. I mean, maybe how I trade gold, I could trade the NQ the same way now and do well. I just don't want to fuck with the NQ. I want nothing to do with it. I hate it. I've fucked myself out of so many payouts trading the NQ. I mean, all of it is my fault. Let's be real, but that's besides the point. It doesn't happen that much with gold. I close in on payouts trading gold, and I lock them in. Fucking habitually. Dave Chappelle, that Asian wife, go home. Yeah, crank. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. The fuck are we doing here? What's the NQ doing? Similar shit. Oh shit, it's dumping. It's dumping. Hey chat. Hey chat, it's dumping. If we could pass this, if we could get through this wick, it will go lower, but I don't know if we could even get there. Man, this is fucking annoying. I really wanted to trade. This reminds me just like every time I used to do the whip streams when my son was practicing with his soccer team, nothing would happen. Although from this low, I mean, we're up 20. We went up 87 ticks from this wick down here. That's interesting. But right around this time is when he would be done. Right around this time he'd be done, and then I'd be hopping in the car, driving home, and then shit would start happening. So maybe that's what's about to happen. So I'll hang out for another 5 minutes or so, 10 minutes. Look at this shit. Just when you think it's gonna fucking keep going down, it goes back up. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Getting excited over little bullshit. What's the NQ doing? Oh, look, the NQ kind of bounced too. They're moving kind of similarly. Oh, crank, yeah. Just hey, listen. Even if I'm getting off the stream, I will be watching the charts. I gotta edit a video anyway and upload it. But yeah, at least I don't have to like get in the car. And at least I would have already been in the car on the whip stream, but at least I'm not like driving home right now. I'm home. I just don't know if I want to hang out on the stream anymore. I got to get off soon anyway because my wife's probably going to get ready to go to bed. I might want to try and tuck her in. Yeah, look. It wants. I mean, what did I say? I think it wants to go for the 707. This is why I don't fuck with the 618. This is another perfect example of why I never fucking wait for the 618 to happen to get into a fucking trade. Yeah, maybe you would have had a little bit of a scalping opportunity. That's fine, but the 707 is so much better. I hate the 618. I mean, it's in the golden shower pocket, but the 707 is better. I'm also getting tired of fucking staring at this. Oh, all right. I know where this is going, and I just don't like to chase. I don't want to chase. Because as soon as I hop in, Gold could be like, yeah, fuck you. Fuck you and what you thought was about to happen. You're long that what you thought was going to happen. I do like it. Yeah, I mean, I think it's going to keep going up, though. Isn't it weird? I won't get in long here, but I'll wait for it to come all the way up here to fill me. I don't trust it. I don't trust it down here. It could be an hour before that happens. Yeah, crank. I'm chilling. And yeah. Or if I think it's going to keep pumping and I get in long and I chase this, it'll fucking pull back on me. So I'm just going to wait. That's why I just wait. Here's my level. I'm actually trying to get filled a little bit sooner. Right around there. Which if I move this back down to this high right here. Well, we're at the 786 right now. Go figure. We're in an interesting spot right now. I think it goes higher. $707. What? What just happened? Oh, I fucked this up. There we go. I knew I did something wrong. Watch. There we go. We're approaching the 786 if I go by this high right here from this low. It's an interesting spot, and that is at 906, 907. But from this high, which is I think is the more appropriate spot, which I could be wrong. I mean, I think it'll eventually get up here. The 707 is a little higher than the 786 based on this high compared to this high. Caleb. Can you film me? But that's all I do. I just fucking played his waiting game. Look, see, like, again, I literally just said, what if I chased it here and it pulls back on me? I think it still goes higher, but that would happen to me. Like, I would probably would have gotten in if I decided to chase. Oh, let me chase this because it's going to go up to 931. That's where my order is to get filled. And look what's happening. This is why I just fucking wait. I wait for my fib levels to get filled. That's it. I don't care. I'm not in a trade right now. Oh, well, guess what I'm doing, though? Just because I'm not in the trade doesn't mean I'm not trading. This is trading. Not doing any dumb fuck shit is trading. You know what I'm saying? Not fucking chasing is trading. Waiting patiently is trading. See? Imagine I fucking decided to chase this shit around here. I'd be fucking so fucking pissed. You see, chat? Thanks, chat. I've seen gold enough to know. Will it make its way up here? Yeah. I might have to cancel this order because I don't know if I'm going to want to sit around and wait. Look what's happening. It's coming right back down to the cuck zone. Imagine, you know how many fucking people like, oh shit, it's going. And then they chase it. And then look what happens to them. And then very good chance it goes higher, but they might have their stop down here somewhere and they get fucking bottom ticked and they're fucking all pissed off. And then they start doing shit that they wouldn't have done if they weren't mad, if they didn't just get fucked. Because gold will do that to you. Then they start revenge trading. Then they start going in heavier. And then next thing you know, the account's blown over some bullshit fucking chop before the next move up. I've been there so many fucking times. Trust me. That's why I just sit here and wait. Oh, hell yeah, Sean. Talk about people that know, I mean, they know how to hold, especially Neil. Dan in those moves, like when his M's or his W's are playing out, Dan's a harmonic trader. He will fucking be entering and exiting a fuck ton. He's a high frequency trader and he doesn't use a bot. He does it himself. He'll hold some shit like runners and shit, if I'm not mistaken. I'm more of a scalper. Not more of a scalper. I am a scalper. So I'll just wait for my level to get hit because I know I'm going to get, if it plays out, I'm going to get 20, 30, 40, 80 ticks. Will I hold for all 80? Probably not. Yeah. You learn from those guys in the best community on these prop from streets. It's free for now. I guarantee you, I would bet money that people that hang out in the DGen Fam Discord get more value for free out of my Discord than most fucking paid Discords. Guaranteed. Oh, I got none. My wife's got tats. She got a whole fucking sleeve in her right arm. All the way to, like, she's got a fucking tramp stamp. She got shit on her wrists. I literally don't have a single tattoo on my entire body. Yeah, lots of faffling in the best community on these proper streets. If you want to join it, it's free for now. What does this guy want? Should I let him in? The old man. I wonder if he has to go out. Watch out, bro. I don't want to open the door on you. He can't hear. He's deaf. This fucking guy. All right, let's go for a walk. Maybe he has to go out. Why, you want to get with me? I mean, you want to hang out?
You have nothing is secret.
Babe, I love you.
Right, what now you're gonna show me in bed?
My wife's got to. Should I tell him about what you're wearing on your head?
No, leave me alone. I didn't sign up for this.
Come on, let's go, Romeo. Even though you can't hear me. Oh, look at this. Yo, this is exactly what I was saying. I literally said like 10, 15 minutes ago. Come on, let's go. Come on. I literally said like 10, 15 minutes ago, I'd rather just wait than chase this. And look what happened. I would have got in around here. Anyone who fucking chased this is getting fucking killed right now if they're still in the trade. Look how many ticks has gone down. It's gone down 75 ticks. It's already, look at that. Joe. See now, but now I'm going to look for an opportunity to fucking go long or bounce. Doesn't mean it's going to pop. I'm just looking for an opportunity for a scalp. So, what the fuck? Ill. Why is this in the fucking way? Look at, I'm missing time because I fucking hate Project X. It's such a fucking piece of shit. What a fucking piece of crap. Wait, I'm doing it the wrong way. I'm used to trade evade. Again, shit's in my fucking way. I don't even know if I got lucky there. All right, so look. 786. Lost it. That's not the spot. Let me get rid of this out of here. Look at that. That shit just, look at that. It's fucking dumping parabolically. Hold on a sec. There. That's the spot. So let me cancel this because I'm not waiting around. Let me put an order here. Maybe here. This might not even be the best spot for this low, right? Not even be the right spot. This might be the spot. But we'll try this one first. Let's see if it comes down here. But look, look what just happened. Imagine I was like, yeah, because I had my order up here because I was waiting for the 707. happening? You gotta go out? Come on, buddy. Yeah, the door's open. Go make. Go make. I think he's just hungry. So now look at this. Look where we rejected. Almost at the 786 from this high. I don't know. This is why I don't chase. This is why I just fucking wait. Perfect example. But this is why, like, look, I was like, oh, this would, maybe the old me would have fucking tried chasing here on the breakout. That's why the breakout happened and people who are breakout traders would have just got fucking their shit pushed in from here. You see, chat? Thanks, chat. Now I don't think we're gonna come all the way back up here, but I wouldn't be surprised. I knew something was brewing. I knew something was fucking brewing. I've seen gold. I've been watching the gold fucking move like this for fucking a long time, a lot of fucking hours. I think he's just hungry. Oh fuck! I forgot to put this fucking sound in. I'm here, chat. Thanks, chat. I gotta cook salmon. Totally forgot about that shit. For my dogs. Well, really for my dog, my Penelope. My one girl, Penelope. The rest of them eat chicken. Yeah, I think we go lower. At least something's happening right now. But look, we're basically back in this fucking cuck zone. We popped out of it and we dumped all the way back into it. Crazy. All right, chat. Don't mind me. I got to cut this guy some chicken. He didn't have to make. He was hungry. Right, chat? I'm just going to wait for this order to get filled. What, is he giving up? No, he's just drinking water. I'm just living the dream over here. Getting wagged by the dog. The senior citizen of the house.
Hi.
What's up, buddy?
Yay, Penny! Yay!
I'm streaming.
Oh,
Be Mark.
I don't care.
I know you don't care.
I gotta have tomorrow.
Come on. Look at that. We got that little pop here and then this bigger drop, and now we're just cucking around. Amazing.
Whites.
You don't know the term cucking around? It's an official trading term. It's called the. You don't know about the cuck zone, Jacob?
No, I got it in the film.
Well, now you know. It's an official trading term.
Okay.
Come on, can we come down here and film it? Now, he has to have his little treats. Penelope's down here. She wants hers. Oh shit. Oh look, I'm about to get filled. Am I not going to get filled? Am I going to miss getting filled by a tick?
Order filled.
Let's see if I get rewarded for being very patient. Or is this going to keep dropping? It's kind of parabolic right now. And I came down here for nothing. This dog doesn't even have to go out. He just wanted to eat. Maybe he'll go out now. All right, go ahead, make. Go ahead and make, Penelope. You go out. You go make. Maybe he'll go with you. Look, chat. Let me just. Oops. I don't want to have a huge day in this Bull & Ox funded account, because then all the other days that I want to count as a trading day, I'm going to want to grow at least 20% of my biggest day. So I'll keep it in the, if I can even get this much, which is not even at the 50 line. We'll see. I hope it keeps going. Is it going to fucking retest and then go up? Look, this shit. Gold just never gives me what I want when I want it, though. That's the fucking thing that's annoying about it. I should have taken this. How much was that? How much was I up at one point? Let's see. 270 bucks. Now I'm up nothing. Probably going to fill me down here. Well, we'll see. The issue with these accounts also is I'm up against intraday trailing. So I just lost. I had $270 in gains. I lost $270 in drawdown. Ill. Gold doesn't want to stop going down. This might not be the right spot. This might be the more appropriate spot. But we'll see. Oh, look, maybe it's going to pop now. Wishful thinking. I'm probably going to trail it tighter and get fucking taken out. I don't like to not lock in gains. But look, I'm getting so far. We'll see. I mean, it's still early in the trade. And gold's being a cuck. I mean, I could have locked in 270. I could have locked in 200 there. And I'm just being a greedy fuck. So I'm being punished, but I could have just taken that and told you that I was rewarded for waiting. But I don't know. Gold might want to go down more. That's why I have this order down here at what was the 786 until I moved my fib down. I expanded my fib down to this low. It's the 707. So we'll see. We'll see. It's riding down this tan line right here. We got a tan line, and it won't break. It hasn't broken it. Let me.
There's the tan line. So we'll see.
Order filled.
Oh, am I going to get fucked here? I have a feeling I'm going to get fucked. I could have locked in how much? I don't need that much. Yeah, I'm going to get fucked. It just hit the 786 on the expanded fib. Now it's going to bounce. Maybe, possibly, hopefully. Yeah, see? I should have taken that $270. Look at me now. Well, at least it's just one account. It's just one account. It's not a group of 6 Apex accounts or some shit. Doesn't make it any less annoying. Oh, he finally went out. All right, great job. Let's see what happens. Look at that bounce off the 786. That was the spot. I expanded the fib down here. Let's see if it holds. Shit. All right, chat. Oh, look now. Let's see what happens here. Are you fucking serious? You fucking piece of shit. If I end up losing $1,000 over this, I get stopped out and be so fucking mad. But whatever. Yeah, Willie C. He was a starvation case. The other dogs don't eat all day like he does, but he'll go like he used to eat like fucking 10 times a day. Now he eats like maybe 4 or 5 times a day. But he was like we adopted him. He was 10 years old already when we adopted him, and he was like literally like 25 pounds underweight. All you saw was his fucking ribs. You saw his pelvic bone. You saw everything. He was fucked up. Max is Max daily. Are you talking about like the biggest day you could have on a Bullinox? $1,640 is the biggest day you could have in terms of getting to the max payout land and your biggest day. Investors, what up? Oh, chasing money. That's right here. The Discord. Hold on one sec. I'll drop the link in the chat. Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. If you're still here, chasing money. I don't know if you're still here, bro. But there it is for anybody else who wants it. But yeah, I had 2 opportunities to get $200-something, and I fucking didn't take them because I want this. And it'll probably happen after I get stopped out because that's what happens. I always get fucked like that. But we'll see. It's just riding down this 9 EMA. Fuck that moving average. Sorry, I missed a lot of the chat. What up, Twan on? Yeah, it doesn't look great. I had my chance. Like right here. It went from 649 to 690. Was that 649 to 692? But I was already deep. I was not deep in the red, but I got filled here and here. I should have added here, but whatever. I didn't want to be in 3. I don't know. Whatever. I already feel like I'm gonna get fucked here. I feel the fucking coming. Here it comes. It wants the VWAP. I'm gonna get bottom ticked. But this is why I didn't want to chase up here Yeah, look, I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it.
Order filled.
Yeah, there it is.
Order filled.
I literally got bottom ticked. I hope I blow this account. I don't even want this shit anymore. I'm so fucking annoyed because I could have taken profits twice and didn't. But that's what happens. The best part is it's okay. Whatever happens to this account, just know that I locked in another fucking $3,082 in payouts there, and I requested a payout with Apex. I'm just waiting to get approved. But I knew I was going to get fucking bottom ticked. I fucking knew it. I called it. I said I was going to get fucked. It just didn't want to fucking go up anymore. So how much drawdown do I have left on this? $1,000. I hope I blow these fucking. Well, it's only one account. Where was my take profit before? 717? Hell yeah, blow this shit. This might be the fucking spot down here. Like, here's the next low. Look at that. Watch this. Oh, too late. Let's see what's going on here. 707 touch when I expanded the fib down here. It's probably going to keep going. It might, you know what it's going to do? It might come up here and then reject again. I don't know. So stupid. Yo, what up, Evan? What up, Bowser? Evan R. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Bull and Ox, Lucid. I think it still works on My Fund the Futures, but you put my code in, you'll get a 0% discount on most of the shit that they offer. But you could try. They got something going on. I don't even know what it is. I don't even pay attention. But if you want to support the channel and you do want to grab some My Fund the Futures accounts, put in my code anyway. I think, well, let me see if I can find the deal that they're pushing right now. Apex is $19.60 for any size account, and $65 lifetime activation fee, depending on the size of the account. $65 for the 25, 50s, and 100s. $125 lifetime activation fee for the 150s, 250s, and 300s. This deal ends tomorrow night. Take Profit Trade is 40% off with no activation fee. Trade Day is 40% off with no activation fee. Lucid is 35% off 25s and 50K Flex and Pro. 30% off everything else. If you're a new user of Lucid, you might get 50% off, but at the very least, you'll get 5% more than existing users. Bull and Ox is 91% off. Option 1, 50Ks or bigger, which is this. This is an option 1, 50K. I had two of them that I traded for I got 4 payouts out of them, and I blew them on Friday. I was so fucking mad. And then this is just some straggler that I have, and I don't even fucking care. But yeah, oh well. And you see what I did? I went in with 3 because I was fucking annoyed instead of just sticking to my plan. But whatever. Like I said, I don't give a fuck about this account. I really don't. I'll wait for these rebos to come through again at 91% off, and I'll try to pass these, and we'll try it again. But I just took two funded Bull and Ox accounts. I took for 4 payouts each. It was a total of like 16,700. What was it? 76, 72 plus 9,000. from 2 accounts that I had from October 3rd until Friday. Thursday or Friday, I blew them. Look, it almost broke that shit. It almost fucking broke that fucking moving average. And then it rejected off of it. So fucking stupid. What the fuck? There we go. That's what I'm trying to do. I hate Project X, by the way. This fucking shit sucks. Tradeovate is so much better than fucking Project X, well charts, all this bullshit, Volumetrica. It's not even fucking close. How many ticks did we drop? Can it go through that tan line? Can we break through this tan line? How many ticks? 853. The shit went down 250 ticks. That drop. That I was like, I'm not chasing. Really? Is it not going to get over this? Look at that. Come on, get through that shit. If it gets through this shit, my take profit's going to get hit. Key word is if. What up, Mart, man? It depends. RM. It depends. I had accounts I waited a couple of days for, and during like Christmas and the New Year's, it took a couple of days extra. I've gotten decisions by the next morning. I've also got approved recently on New Year's Eve. I got approved in less than an hour. I got that auto approval. That was awesome. Oh, fucking break that shit, bitch. Come on. Break it. Get the fuck up there. Calvin, what up? His real name's Calvin. Oh wait, that's fucking Clarence. Calvin's been working at Whack Arnold's, tearing his family apart. Look at that. There we go. At this point, I'm gonna put a trailing stop because I don't trust this shit. It's probably, as soon as I let go, it's gonna take me out though. As soon as I let go, it's gonna take me out. Watch. It might take profit, bitch. No? Look, as soon as I let go.
Order filled.
Don't worry, my take profit's gonna, oh, I'm green. My take profit's gonna get a hit now. Where was my take profit? All that just to be up 123 bucks. So fucking stupid. Where was my take profit? 683. And I got taken out, and this went up to, it was 5 ticks away from my take profit. And I got taken out at what? 668. I had $270 more. Look, here we go. Here comes my take profit. You ready? Every fucking time. Every fucking time. Yo, Investor, it's just a cat. Here we go. All I had to do was hold. I'd have a $500 fucking day. Fucking piece of shit. There it is. Every fucking time. Every fucking time. So fucking annoying. NQ dumped also at the same time. Look at that. Look at, they're moving identical. Oh, that's gold. My bad. Oh yeah, it dropped here. Yeah, but man, look at that fucking pop. 638. Yo, this looks. Bowser's all pumped, bro. I never seen you so pumped for 15 points. But that's all you guys are getting right now with the NQ. Maybe it keeps going, but this ain't shit. I hope you get more. I hope you get 50 points. But I don't. The only time I get excited about 15 points on the NQ is when I'm playing Passive Smash with an Apex account. Oh, it's retesting the VWAP. It just missed hitting my take profit. Yo, look at that shit. Retested. What the fuck, man? I fucking hate Project SlipX. I really do. It's the big. I was trying to draw a fib here, and this fucking thing got in the way. What a fucking stupid fucking piece of shit. Calvin, I used to think the same way. I only manipulate it to the next high or the next low. That's it. The only manipulation I do is expansion. And yeah, you could pick the highs and lows you want to grow it from. It's not 100%. It's not absolute. It's fluid. But what is absolute? Tell me what fucking indicator or what strategy is perfect. And I don't want to fucking hear ICT because that ain't fucking true. It's not perfect at all. You talk to 50 people about ICT, 50 people will tell you 50 different things about what they understand ICT to be. That's what stops. You know what else though? That's what stops are for. You know what I'm saying, bro? That's why you have stop losses and fucking risk management. Anyway. No fucking way. Bullshit. Bullshit. Oh. Gotta go back downstairs. The salmon's done. I can tell you one thing, I didn't hear that shit in the pod. Shit's nasty. What is this from? Look at this shit. Uh-oh. Oh, is it not going to come up here? Uh-oh. Battery's dying. Look, oh, look, my take profit got hit. Oh, I just noticed that. Look, take profit hit. It had to come back down here first before it fucking came up and hit it. Whatever. Same fucking, it's the usual fucking thing. Always. Always, 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 always. Oh, shit. Is that what their deal is? I gotta look because I got an email from them. I didn't see that buy one, get one. I see this. This is what I see. I'll post it in. Is there two? What? That's weird. I hadn't hit it twice. Hold on. This is what I see. Oh! This is the promotion right here that I know about. Big savings right there. 20% off any of the rapid plans with my code 0DayJ. Will I get credit for it? I have no idea. I feel like they're rug pulling affiliates as we speak. So, but if you put my code in, that's the deal that I know about. Let's see if they have anything over here on their shit. They haven't pushed an active promotion in their own Discord since December 16th. 20% off the rapid accounts. That's the same shit that I just showed you. Yeah, Coach Singh, they used to let you put in somebody's code and get 5% off any account that wasn't running a promotion, but now they're, I don't even know why I'm even talking about them. That's how much they fucked over affiliates. Yeah, they think they're like Top Step. They're not even close. They don't have fucking 2,000 real people on their fucking lives every day or more. Elevated Life, what up? Oh, Funded Futures Network. Yeah, I don't trade with that firm. I don't have anything against them. I just don't fuck with them. Yep, Coach Singh, yeah. So they will cut off affiliates completely real soon. And then they'll be like, oh shit, maybe we shouldn't have done that. Of course, the CEOs are banking. I don't know. Anytime you cut off affiliates,
anytime you make changes like that, or you want to pay people less, it just reeks of fucking cash flow issues to me. But I hope that's not the case. I think they'll be okay. I just think, Top Step got rid of all of their affiliates probably because they wanted to save a fuck ton of money. But they had a big enough their live streams are huge. They could absorb it. How many people are showing up to My Fund the Future's live streams? 200? 300 tops? And most of them are just looking for free accounts. Yeah, I don't think they're going away. I just think that maybe they're having some cash flow issues. Why else would you fucking cut off affiliates to the point where they're barely getting anything anymore? Yeah, Coach Singh, I've been saying that since the beginning with those fucking future the forex prop firms. I didn't want to go in near any of them. Funded Next looked like it was the most legit out of all of them, but I don't know. Now they're selling accounts for $159 that you could get 4 payouts on, and then you're cut off. Yeah, Top Step's own platform is a piece of shit. We're trading on it right now. It fucking sucks. How does gold look for the new hourly? Here's the hourly. I don't know. I still think we hit the 707. But I don't know. I mean, if we look from here, I mean, we still, if we're looking from this last low to this high that we just hit and dumped off of, we could drop even lower before we bounce again. We could drop 150 to 200 ticks. Potentially. I don't know if we're going to. But this was the flag. We were flagging, and then we broke out of the flag. Also, we're getting close to London, the London session. The European session's about to open in an hour. And I noticed with gold, it starts moving a lot again around like 11 p.m. Eastern, 2 a.m. Sorry, 11 p.m. 2 a.m. Eastern. It starts moving a lot. I've blown some accounts. I've blown a lot of accounts actually. Going in like that hour going into London. It's kind of becoming a no-go zone for me, unless I could catch the right move. But look, here we go. We're going back up higher. I would love to get filled here, but I don't know if I will. I don't know. Yeah, they do, but their platform, yeah, I'm with you, Coach Singh, on that. But don't think it didn't cost them a fuck ton of money recently. They thought they were saving a lot of money with their own platform, and then what happened? Their platform was having major issues, and a lot of people were fucking charging back. They were getting a lot of bad press. Their fucking Trustpilot went down to 3.6. What's their Trustpilot at now? Don't think it doesn't cost. Everything has a cost. They're still only at 3.6, and they're trying so hard. They got people, they're paying people now. They're incentivizing people to leave 5-star reviews, and it's still not enough. Look at everybody sucking. Look. Oh, damn. First payout approved, then denied, and account closed. Oh, shit. I thought only Apex. I thought it only happened with Apex. Yeah, okay. Look at that shit. Oh, disappointing. Jordan was very helpful. My go-to firm to get funded, very simple and a good start. Yeah, that seems, and good start. Okay. Yeah, that's a legit review. Tell me that's not a fucking fake. That's the fakest fucking review I've ever seen in my life. This is more appropriate. Oh shit. Damn, look at all this. Ooh, too many negatives to write.
When you have a problem, the support always helps you. Hands down, no complaints. Yeah, okay. Oh man. All of these fucking fake fucking 5-star reviews can't flush out, can't do anything to get them out of this 3.6. Imagine they weren't fucking feeding it with the fake reviews. And this is what happens. Don't tell me that running their own platform saved them money. It didn't. They're getting fucking killed right now. Hey, Marco, what's up? Yeah, no, Coach Singh, I'm with you, bro. You know why I don't fucking trade with them. Investors, if that's what you want to do, then do it. I wouldn't put all of your eggs in that one prop firm's basket, though. I've always been paid by Top Step too, but then they tried to tell me how to spend my money by putting me in the Focus Trader program. Good thing I didn't take what their fucking automated bullshit said as gospel, because I've gotten like almost $100,000 in payouts since that happened in June. And they used to have me on the show every fucking week for like 3 months straight. And I had no issue with anybody that I interacted with on the show. And then one fucking day, Paytech decides to fucking come and supervise and babysit. And I don't know what it is. I guess too many people were crying about how I was trading, even though I traded my fucking accounts like a boss on that shit. And I was never invited back, never even fucking heard a word from them ever. The only thing I noticed was that they used something I said. They took like a clip from one of my appearances. I was talking about post-payout degenerate syndrome, which is real. It's in the encyclopedia. What happens is you get a payout, and then after you get paid, you fucking do dumb shit and blow your account. That's what's called PPDS. It's a real thing. It's happened to everybody in here who's gotten a payout, and don't fucking tell me it hasn't. And that shit, they posted that as a short. It was fucking funny. And then an hour later, it was taken down. And I know who fucking told them to take it down. That's the only thing I asked about. And they never invited me back. After saying, oh, Paytech, oh, we're going to have you come down. I was on there with Cove. We're going to have you guys come out to our headquarters, this and that, acting like he was our fucking buddy. Never got invited back. Between that and getting put in the Focus Trader program, I'm not asking for permission to fucking trade with anybody. My money, if I can't spend my money how I want to, then go fuck yourself. What up, Zah? Why are they denying you, bro? You're violating the rules. That's how you got denied. Stop acting like that's not a fucking thing. Chris, bro. When I did not look, hold on, let me log into my Apex account. Fuck, I wish I brought my water back up with me. Hold on, I gotta hide my screen so I can log into my Apex account. Where's my fucking phone? Fuck, I don't have my phone either. I can't log into my Apex account. Hold on a second. I don't know what my phone is. You know how you have to do that fucking 2-factor authentication? I left my fucking phone down here. What about all the people that got fucked last month? Did they even fucking do a make good on them yet? All the people that got fucked last month with the outages and all the people that lost their accounts. Don't hold your breath. All right. Let's see what the fuck's going on. Oh my God, I just missed getting filled. Oh my God, how many ticks is that? I missed getting filled by 3 ticks. Fucking bullshit, bro. Typical fucking bullshit. Oh, look, it rejected off the top orb. So check this out. They don't make up denials, bro. Look, am I getting approved all these times because I'm just a YouTuber? I'm a streamer? Look, I got denied here. Guess why? You'll never guess why I got denied here. I violated one of their rules. But it's okay. Then in 8 days later, I requested another payout on the same accounts. 504, I requested 705, got denied. No problem. Grew the account, requested 2,000 and got approved. 503, requested 1746, got denied. Both of these accounts I was trading together and got caught in some fucking flash dump. Got, blatantly violated the 30% drawdown rule. And then I got approved when I requested the 2,000 on that one. And then the other times I got denied were for the same reasons, violating a rule. I think these were either 30% rules or the consistency rule. I don't remember what. No, this was definitely not the consistency rule. This is the 30% rule. And then these were all of these 8. I think 6 or 7 of them were the consistency. That new 30% rule at the time. It was brand new, but I've been approved 40 fucking times since, 40 something times since, 50 times. Who should be in a trade? What do you mean? Should I be in a trade? You think I got filled? I didn't hear it.
Order filled.
Oh, now I'm filled. I'm gonna get fucked. I finally just got filled. Yeah, of course. You know what's funny? I'd be done trading this fucking account if I got filled, if I got taken out of here. My take profit was 5 ticks later. It dropped here and then it fucking came all this way. But we're approaching that time when gold starts acting like a fucking psychopath. And I'm not a huge fan of trading it then. Good looks though, Robbie. Yeah, that's it. Went over. Oh my God. I wish I got filled on that. Now it's going to drop. Look at that. It literally, this is what I love about fucking Project SlipX. What a piece of shit. Why didn't I get filled there? Why didn't I get filled here? Tell me. It wicked over my fucking order. And then it dropped fucking how many ticks? 17 ticks. I just wanted a quick scalp. Really, I just wanted to be done over here, but my order didn't get filled. I missed getting filled by what? What was it again? 5 ticks?
Yeah, see, I admit, dude, it went to my order. I'd be up so much fucking money right now. I'd be up like $400. So stupid. Leave it to fucking Project SlipX. Now I'm gonna get fucking taken out. Watch. As soon as I let go. Oh, maybe not. It's fucking annoying. I should be up. Look at the order. Look at this shit. I should be up another. Oh, here we go. It should be up another $300 something. What a piece of shit. How fucking good are my orders? I would have gotten filled on TradeAvate. I can fucking guarantee you that. I'm gonna get taken out.
Order filled.
Fucking piece of shit. Whatever. I'm done with this shit. Fuck Project X. I've done enough trading in Project X. It's such a piece of shit. What a piece of shit. I got fucked. How many days do I got in this fucking account? One, two. That's it. Got a long ways to go. I'm glad this is the only fucking prop firm I have Project X with. And in a month, in the next 6 weeks or whatever, if I even still have this account, I'm going to get moved into Rhythmic, which I got to figure out how to trade Rhythmic on my Mac. Apex isn't the only prop firm that has intraday trailing. Do you trade with Take Profit Trader? I'm not saying you're a bad trader, bro, at all. Top Step's no better. Paytac is no saint. I'm just curious if you trade with Take Profit Trader. Ah, you fucker. You violated the scaling rule and they moved your balance back to 50K. At least they didn't close the account on you. You still had the account. But Take Profit Trader offers intraday trailing too. If you have a funded account with them, it's intraday. Bowser, remember I said I hope you get 50K? I said I hope you get 50 points. When you were pumped about the 15 points, I was like, I hope you get 50. And you did. We love to see it. We love to see it. So is Take Profit Trader predatory also? Chris, I'm just asking, like, do you trade with Take Profit Trader? You haven't tried them? Well, maybe you shouldn't. I think they're the best prop firm out of all of them, but you should stay away from them because their funded accounts are intraday trailing. Just so you know, it's intraday trailing on their pro accounts. Lucid's end of day. Trade day could be end of day if you pick that account. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is the fucking shit, man. Uh-oh. I think I'm gonna fucking sell my XRP here. My little bag of XRP. I got a big bag I'm not touching until it hits 1,000 million bajillion. Might as well lock in $600 or $700 in gains.
No. I mean, I think it might go higher, but it's at a spot where it could just pull back. How much should I move over? Let's see here. Fuck. Recent deposits. I'll sell that much. Yeah, deposited 1,078 from one account to another, but I bought it at like $1.84, 85, some shit like that. I'll just sell 1,100 of it. Keep the other bet. Keep the other little runner. All right. Cool. Oh, fuck. Turn the fucking group on. All right, so we're done with this piece of shit. We're done with these. We locked in a payout on these two. Those are Lucids. Locked in another payout here with Trade Day. I was over the buffer anyway, but now I'm a lot more over the buffer, so I'm going to request 659 when the market closes, and they're probably going to push me to live. That's my Trade Day, my funded Trade Day account. And then all I have left is these 3 pro take profit traders. I got to activate 250K pros, and then I have these 20 fucking Apex accounts. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of intraday, but I know how to trade it. I've gotten good at trading it, obviously. That was my first exposure to all this prop firm shit, was with Apex. I didn't trade with any other firm but Apex for like the first 3 months that I was doing this shit. And then I started trading with Take Profit Trader, and then I think I tried my funded futures, and then I added, what else did I add? Bullinox, Trade Day, and then Lucid. All right, be good, man. Robbie Baldwin, be good. Thanks for hanging out. Yeah, no, Chris, I get it, bro. What up, Robert Gallis? I get it, man. But they're not the only firm that offers intraday trailing. And they have their rules. I mean, they don't want... The thing that annoys me about scaling, I don't know if you're trading with Lucid yet. Lucid's great, by the way. I love Lucid, right? I'm about to get paid by Lucid again. Violate their scaling rule and let me know what happens. I guarantee you they're gonna fucking take away your profits. So it's not just Apex. Go trade with funding ticks. Oh wait, they'll just retroactively fuck you. I mean, they didn't steal 4,500 from you. They shouldn't have fucking let you trade all those extra days, though. They should have only taken what you made when you scaled. Isn't that how they do it? That's how they do it now, at least. Whatever you made when you scaled is what they'll take from you. I mean, when you violated the scaling rule. I can tell you one thing: Take Profit Trader, although they have intraday trailing on funded accounts, they don't have, it's end of day when you go live, but on funded accounts it's intraday trailing. But there's no scaling rule. Anyway, what time did I get on? I feel like I've been on for fucking 3 hours. I've been on for 3.5 hours. No, I've been on for 2.5 hours. And I almost fucked this account. Should have been up. I should have got a lot more than that, but whatever. It is what it is. I basically had like the first trade that I took, the most it got up to was about 270, and that's what I ended up finishing with after all of that, going down over $1,000, getting fucking annoyed, and then missing my take profit by 5 ticks, getting fucking taken out from trailing for a gain. I was green actually after that trade. I got everything back, and then of course it pulls back and then goes up and hits my take profit anyway. Yeah, how long ago was that? How long ago was that? That couldn't have been recently. But bro, I get it, man. That's the best part about this industry. There's fucking 30 other firms you could trade with. I hope you weren't trading with the Apex killer. You know what I'm saying? That's the best part about this prop firm shit. You don't have to keep all your eggs in one prop firm's basket. But I do the same thing. Violate the scaling rule with Lucid and let me know what they do. You're not going to be happy with them either. NJ, what up? Hey, I'm gonna give away some prop shop accounts. No more sim funded payouts. You just get a signing bonus, like you're fucking making it to like the pros or something. Shit's fucking hilarious. Like Nick Cannon. You know what? I'm fucking getting off. I gotta fucking put that. I gotta portion that salmon that I just cooked. Anyway, so. If you're not yet a subscriber of the channel, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, please. Hit that notification bell. I stream every day for Power Hour, tune through close. And I also stream randomly like I did tonight for a couple of hours, sometimes 5 hours or 6 hours. And not only do I stream, but I'm hanging out in my Discord like literally all fucking day. If I'm on the computer and I'm trading or watching the charts, I'm hanging out in the best community with the best community, and it's still free to join for now. They do have a scaling. Yeah, they do. MCC, what up? They do have a scaling plan. Is this Raphael? Oh, it's Olivier. Fuck, why do I always confuse? You know, I always confuse you because of the fucking YouTube fucking user ID bullshit. Olivier, what up, man? Yeah, they have a scaling plan. I'll show you. Lucid Flex scaling plan. The scaling plan controls how much of your max size is available to trade. This is for Flex. I don't know if they do on Pro. As you simulated, this is kind of like how It's literally identical. Almost, I don't know if it's identical to the T. It's just like fucking Top Step. The Lucid Flex account is just like the Top Step XFAs. But here it is. Some traders may be inclined to try and get around the scaling plan. Our backend systems track and adjust balances for this. If we see repeated behavior attempting to get around the limits, we may review your account. So they will fucking deal with you the same way Apex did, probably. Yes, Chris, I get it, bro. Rick. Yeah, but there's ways around that. Like you could go in max contracts with 2 minis, right? And you could also trade micros on top of it. I've seen it. I've done it with my funded futures accounts, like evals. You can do that, even though it has like the fail safe and it won't let you get in more than 2 minis. You could be in minis, and then you could go. Micros is a completely different instrument, and you could get in with micros as well. Their system on the back end will catch you. I know people try to do that shit on purpose. They'll catch you, even if it's an accident. They'll still take your money away from you. They'll take whatever was gained from that from you. But I don't think they don't have a plan. Just don't do it. I mean, I'm trading gold, right? I'm trading one or two minis of gold anyway at any given time. That's all I need. I don't need to fucking go heavy with gold. Sometimes with the NQ, some people feel like they need to go heavier because the NQ fucking sucks. It's a piece of shit. But anyway, I don't think there's a scaling plan. It's only with the flex. Yeah, see. Lucid doesn't mean to let you, but Tradeovate, there's a way around it. Like, watch. I don't even want to do it in this account. Let me see. I don't want to do it. Whatever. So let's say I could trade with 2. Well, I might be able to trade with more because my balance is at 3,000. Is that how it works? Yeah, so I could look 4 minis. I could trade with 4 minis on my 50K right now. So watch, I'm gonna put an order down here. I don't want to fucking. I wish I didn't have. I don't want to fuck these accounts up. I don't even want to put the orders in and get in trouble. I'm not doing it. Sorry, chat. You're gonna have to fucking experiment on your own. It's not worth it. It's not worth it for me to fucking get in trouble with these accounts. I'll be like, listen, I was just trying to show an example for the stream chat, to Lucid support or whatever, but it's not worth it for me. I got $3,082 that I'm requesting when the market closes, combined. Rig. Yeah, that's the biggest thing. What other firm will let you get 20 accounts? Most firms, the most you could get is 5. Freddie. That's why Apex is still super desirable. And they pay. When you get approved, you get your money. If you don't violate the rules, you're good. Look, lots of approvals here. Just waiting on this one to get approved. Look at that. This was when they changed the rules and added all this weird shit. The 30% download, drawdown rule, all that shit. You know what I mean? It took me a while to make the adjustment, and then I made the adjustment. I've been getting paid a fuck ton ever since. A couple of denials because I violated the rule. With the scaling thing, if you accidentally enter in too many contracts, like especially if you're group trading on a 50K and you're trying to group trade 6 accounts, and you think you have the group checked off and it's not checked off and you get in with 6, if you get out within like 2 seconds, you should be okay. But they still might take your profit from you. I have an open order here. I'm canceling this shit. I'm gonna hop off. Yeah, cheap evals right now. I mean, fuck, man. Look at this shit. Fuck my fund, the futures. Anyway, look at this. $19.60 for any size eval. Any size until the end of tomorrow. And then here's your activation fees. One-time lifetime activation fee for this, for the 25, 50s, and 100s is 65. For the 150, 250, and 300s, 125. Remember when Prop Shop tried to have 20 fucking accounts and they were going to be the apex killers? Now look at them. Now look at Prop Shop. They said the SEC doesn't allow sim payouts. They're full of shit. They're just trying to fucking skirt around the fact that they have major cash flow issues. And they're probably going under. I wouldn't be surprised if they're gone in a couple of months. Who's going to fucking trade whatever the fuck this bullshit is? Get the fuck out of here. How many more people saw this? Let's see. 1,300 people. Anyway. Uh-oh. Is this going to go up and fucking hit my order now that I canceled the order? Anyway, yeah, I got to bounce, guys. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. We did do a couple of good things. I got fucking caught in some bullshit, but I got out green. So $250, the accounts grew. Well, the accounts, I only have one funded account with Bullinox, but we locked in payouts earlier when I was actually doing a giveaway in the Discord. I was doing a giveaway in the Discord, and I took this trade while that was happening. And I clinched this payout. So, in this trade day, I did this after that. So we did some good stuff. I wish I would have been able to trade a little more, but the shit wasn't moving until like right here. This was nothing was happening when I got on. It was this. So anyway, with that said, guys, thank you so much. Smash the like button. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming to hang out. Enjoy the rest of your night. Hopefully I'll see you on the stream. I'll see you in the Discord, or I'll see you next time. All right. Have a great night. Thanks again. Peace.